Hello, you're welcome. In our previous video, one of them, we saw how you can create array constants in Excel. In this video, I want to show you how you can use formulas to be able to generate multiple values from such created arrays. So from the way we created our arrays in the previous video, I'm going to create another one here. So the first one I want to create is an array that contains 1, 2, 3. So from this array now, you will notice that when I multiply A1, which is where the array begins, and that's the active cell now, by 2, it's giving me just 2. Okay. And if I want to get any other value, I will have to do A3 by 2 to get for this A3. But this may not be what I want, and I want to have the whole of this multiplied. So to do this, I will just enter my equal sign, then check the range, which is from A1 to A3, and then I enter the range, then multiply this by the number that I want. So in my case, let's say I want to multiply by 5. So you can see each of these has now been multiplied by 5 to get these values. So I can also perform this kind of operation on the 2D kind of arrays. For example, if I have the 3 by 3, something like, okay, let me create this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So even with an array like this, we can still perform such an operation and be able to get the kind of values that we need. So let's take, for example, I want to divide each of these by 2. What I will do is just to enter my equal sign, then check the range. So this is from A5 to C7. So I will do A5 to C7. Then I divide it by 2. And you see it returns each of these numbers divided by 2 in an array. And that's just how you can do this and use it in your analysis as well. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.